So let's talk through a little bit of a scenario where a loved one is still alive, and perhaps they're showing some decline, like cognitively, and they need to perhaps move on to the next stage, long-term care, or whatever it is. What's the next step on, selling the home, selling assets to fund those types of endeavors?
So I think you really have to start with a care plan first and try to determine what is the care plan for this individual, and does this person have a medical power of attorney? Do they have a financial power of attorney? Do they have something in place where someone can help them with decisions if they are unable to make those decisions themselves? And then it's going to depend on what those powers of attorney say, and are they thorough enough where it allows authority to sell a home if necessary, for example. And so I would say, really it's important for, especially if you're the child and you're the caregiver, to, get mom or dad to a qualified doctor and have them fully assessed to really understand what their current diagnosis is, what their prognosis is, and then possibly bring in other professionals like geriatric care managers to help with a care plan. Then, also making sure that there is legal authority there, either through powers of attorney or potentially through a court-appointed guardianship or conservatorship to make some of these decisions, whereas guardians would help with decisions about placement if they were, say, to move into a skilled nursing facility, and whereas a conservator would have the authority to possibly sell the home and make those financial arrangements. So it just really is going to depend on what legal documents that person has in place, or what the care plan is going to call for.